Okay, next up we're checking for fuel leaks in the fuel lines. Now the motorcycle is relatively new, shouldn't be a problem, but there's still a chance it could happen. It's a high pressure system, anything's possible. They got the check hose right here, just like on all the other EFI bikes. But they've added in another feature here on this one, and it's got a little fitting here, so Harley can do a fuel pressure test by just taking this cap off. It's another place it could leak. So when you cycle the engine, it pressurizes the unit. You look for any fuel leaks on the whole system here. Now, the more you ride your motorcycle, the older it gets, the more grunge that gets in that quick disconnect, the more chance that it's potentially going to leak. Especially if you're touching it or taking the gas tank off and you disrupt those O-rings, that's usually when you have a problem. So we're going to have the tank off this bike putting spark plugs in it, and we'll get a little better view of where that fuel line goes. But it's real simple to look, see if you got a fuel leak. You're going to know if you're leaking fuel. Okay, I'm going to put this cap back on. That's kind of a nice little feature for Harley. I mean, they've got a special tool that screws to it. That way they can actually run the motorcycle and look at the fuel pressure, even ride the motorcycle and see if there's a problem with, say, you know, something in the fuel tank with the system. But pretty straightforward. Let's get on back to the list.